So, what I'm gonna share with you today is actually what Jim Rohn called the basic laws. And what is the basic law? It actually says that whatever you don't use, it's gonna be taken away from you. Or let me reframe it. Whatever you don't use, you're gonna lose it. Let me explain. There's been a master who had three servants, and he had to go for a really long trip. So he called his three masters. He says, "Hey, I'm going to leave and going for a really long trip. But as my servant, I'm not gonna leave you like that. I'm gonna give each one of you talents or investment or capital that you can start something, and whenever I come back, I will check the books and see what you've done with what I've given you." So he called the first servant and say, "Hey, I give you 5 talent, or we can call it 5 investment. I give you 5 talent. Go work, do whatever you can do, and when I come back, I will check your books and see what you've done." You go to the second person, he give them 3 talents. And then to the third person, he gave them 1 talent. I want you to keep the 1 talent in mind. Okay? So the master left, he went. The first servant stayed. He says, "I am my master. He's a man of principles, he's a man of logics. So he give me 5 talent. I have to work on it and get return on investment." He started working. He did what he can do. He sweat. He worked. He did any possible thing to actually get a return on the investment. Like it or not, after a hard work, hard investment, he gained 5 more talent, or he get, we can say, 100% back of what he had invested. The second one actually, when the one that was given the 3 talent, he went to his turn, he starts working, he failed. He didn't really get the return on investment. He tried to invest the first talent, didn't work. He tried to invest the second work, didn't work. And then the last one that he had, he actually invested into a different business, into something else. He started working over again and again. He got the 2 that he lost back. He worked again, he invested again because that business was really promising. He invested again and he had 3 more back. So he had also 100% return on investment. So now this is why I told you to keep the 1 talent in mind. The third one that was given 1 talent, in Eastern they say that, "Hey, I know my master. My master is a man of principles, is a man of value, he's so complicated, he's so rough. He's just giving me 1 talent. Maybe because he's testing me to see like if I'm gonna still have it or I'm just gonna spend it or waste the talent that he has given me. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go dig a hole, keep it up, and then I'm not gonna use it at all. And when he comes back, I will give it back to him." It's kind of, you take your money that they have given you, the money that they pay you, and you just say, "Hey, I'm gonna keep it in the bank account. I don't want to use it because if I use it, I might actually lose all my money, or I might not do anything with my money. I'm gonna save it in the bank account and then see what would happen." So days goes, months, years goes by, and then the marshal come back. When he comes back, actually, he say, "Hey, come to me, my servant. So just tell me what happened. What did you do?" The first servant came and it was like, "Hey, master, you give me 5 talent, and I really worked so hard, like freaking hard. Hey, this is the 5 you gave me, but I brought 5 more. So that means I have 10 more talent." And the master look at him and say, "Come to me. great and faithful servant. Get that word. It was a great and faithful servant. Why? Because he had talent. They have given him something. He didn't keep it up, but he worked and had more. That was phenomenal. The second one came, hey, master, you give me 3 talents. I did what I could possibly do, and I actually swear that I worked so hard. I actually lost some of the talents you gave me, but I didn't let that define me. I didn't let that make me the person that I wanted to become. I had the 2 more, the one I remained with, I worked again with it, and I gained the 3 bags, and I had actually 3 more. That makes me having 6 talent. The master looked at him and said, come to me, great and faithful servant. And then here comes the third one. The third one, when he heard that the master is coming back, he went actually, took the talent that he had actually buried or hidden somewhere. He took it back. He said, ooh, nobody stole it. I still have it. He bring to the master. It was like, hey, master, you are a good man, but sometimes you so rough. Sometimes you so tough. I knew that if I had lost this talent, I would be in huge trouble with you. That's why I took this talent and took and dig a hole, hide it somewhere. When I heard you coming back, I went and take it back to bring it to you. The master looked at him and he was like, you are not a faithful servant. He told people, hey, go take that talent from him and give it to the person who has already 10 talent. And I know it might be absurd, and you might say like, hey, why take 1 talent from the person who just had 1 and add it to the person who had 10 more? I'm going to tell you why. Just because that's where it comes the rules of whatever you don't use is going to be taken away from you, or whatever you don't use, you're going to lose it. So he took that talent, instead of actually investing it, instead of actually doing something with it, he went and hide it somewhere, keep it somewhere, because he thought like he's going to lose it, or he's going to use it, or he's going to do something with it. So they took it from him because he didn't use what was given to him. And that's a circumstance. It might be also you, the person that is watching this video right now. You might have a talent, you might have a gift, you might have actually a amount of money, and in your mind you might have ideas, you might have something that makes you feel like, hey, I want to start something. But the more you sit with this idea, the more you stay, the longer you sit like, hey, I don't have time, you're giving excuses, you're hiding it, or you are afraid of actually posting that content outside because you feel like if I post it, certain friends will criticize me, people will say something about me, I might not really get the success that I feel like I will get. So you're losing that talent, you're losing the time, you're wasting everything that has been given to you. And for example, let's say when you've been to school, right? So you've been to college, high school, a university, anything. So when you go to school, you study a lesson. What happens if you don't go back at home and actually study about that lesson again? Unless you are a genius. So what you have actually studied gets out of your mind. You forget about it unless you use what you have studied. Like today, I might say, okay, I'll bring a course or something that I can teach you about sales or about making money or doing something, which I'm not gonna bring it from you because I'm not that kind of person. But if I teach you everything that I know, and you don't put it in practice and you don't use it, that is not necessary. It's not going to help you at anything because you don't use what has been given to you. So you will forget it. It will get so in a second place in your memory unless they get it out and you start revising and doing it or actually put it in practice. So what I just want to share with you today is, so don't keep either your money that you have in a bank account. Go seek for a mentor, look for somebody who has been doing something for a long time or have already started certain things or started a business, failed, know like, hey, this is what you can do, what this is not what you can do. Learn from them, invest in yourself, go invest in certain skills that you can have, go invest in something that can help for your future. If you have a talent, don't just keep it for yourself. Don't just keep like waiting for a perfect time. So I've been waiting for a perfect time, and you know what? Perfect time never comes. So the perfect time that you can start something is today. Don't postpone things. Don't keep things that, hey, I will do this on the next day. I will do this tomorrow. Tomorrow never comes. Everything that you have in your mind, every single thing that you feel like, hey, I'm called to preach. I'm called to actually share something with somebody. I'm called to actually help people edit their video. I'm called to actually, I have a talent that I can make somebody feel good. I can, everything that you feel like you have the call, the talent, you gotta use it, because whenever you don't use it, it's gonna be taken from you. And one day, if you're a Christian as I am, one day you will be accountable for everything that has been given to you and that you didn't use. So, what's your talent? What do you have? Sit, look at in your mind, look at it in your life. What is the thing that makes you feel particular, unique? That one thing that you'll find come to you when you are together, when you're talking, they want you to talk about it, they want you to teach them. What is that thing that is in you that you don't use? Start using it today. Don't wait for tomorrow, and don't wait until it's late. It's too late and they take it from you. And when it's taken from you, you don't even know that it has been taken, because you have wasted your time, you have hidden it, and you have kept it. So it's no longer ready to be used. Don't be like the third master, the third servant. Be like the first and the second. You will try things. Some will not work. You will try things. Some people will be actually not comfortable with you. Some things are not really comfortable. But there's this beautiful quote from Alex Hormozy that say like, so many people want to be successful, but a lot of people don't want to be embarrassed. The secret to the first is the second. So if you want to be successful, sometimes you gotta accept to be embarrassed so that you can get to that success. Whenever you start something, people will not understand it. Whenever you start something, people will not really be okay with you. People will not agree with what you say. But hey, you're not doing it for people. You're doing it for yourself. Keep it up. Do it. And one day, you will see the result. And those people will come to you to ask you, how did you do it? So, I'll see you in the next video. And if you like this one, please share it with a person. Somebody who would like to listen to this. Somebody who wants to watch this. Somebody who you feel they have a talent. Somebody you feel like they have something that they can do, but they still feel like afraid. They still feel like, hey, I don't want to go out there because of A, B, C, D. Those reasons, they don't help. Put yourself out there. Do what you are called to do. That's where you'll find your success. So